Hi everyone, I just want to take a moment to wish everyone a happy Easter, and I wrote you a letter I'd love to read to you because this is obviously a very important holiday to all of us. This time of year means so much to all of us, especially Christians all around the world. And I just want you to know how truly grateful I am for you, for your support, your kindness, and of course for being part of the Shabby Fabrics family. It's something I don't take for granted, and no one here at Shabby does. Every day we know we come together new to earn your business and your trust, and we hold that dear. I hope you know that. We're praying for you and your families, and that your homes are filled with peace, joy, and laughter, and the kind of hope that Easter brings. And I just want to say how thankful I am for the way God has blessed our company and our team and our families and our country. I love that He blesses what we're doing here because I think He knows we're on mission for God, because we are. We come here every day to pour our hearts into what we do best. And we hope that you see that in each of the interactions, our products, maybe on the phone with customer service, even in the showroom, where we've been able to meet so many new customers for the first time. We're especially grateful for those that are serving and protecting our freedoms during uncertain times like we're experiencing right now. I hope you're able to slow down, be with the people you love, and really take in what this season is all about. So from my heart to yours, happy Easter. God bless you.